All right, it's coming along beautifully. It got stuck right now, the filament, so I had to come in here, but I wanted to film some of it so you guys can see how beautiful it's coming out. For some reason, you just got yourself a new printer, or you're maybe a veteran, this is a must. Check this out. So the whole bag's included with all the tools in here. This one, if you guys don't know what it is, it's a brush for, it's actually a copperhead brush, all right? So this, you heat up your nozzles or anything and you just scrub it out. This is perfect for that. This is a must. I actually own a couple of them, but they're already faded out. And this is a regular one, all right? This is not the heated one. Don't heat things up in there. This is only when you sand things up. Filers, and these are actually little handheld filers, if you guys can see, including with the, everybody knows these. These are a must, all right? This is to get rid of some of the supports, some of the cleaning. The scraper. This is a scraper to remove the actual 3D models off the actual bed, because this is a plastic scraper. They're both sharp, right? Just be careful on that too. They give you extra scrapers in here, if you guys can see that. And you know what? They even throw in the gloves, finger gloves, you know? These are finger gloves. That's pretty much it. So because you deal with a lot of chemicals and heated parts, this is perfect, right? So they give you two, which is 0.0, right? And 0.2. For free. Hey, and then plus the actual little gloves for the finger. It's tweezers, different types of tweezers, if you guys can see that. Look at that, sharp ones. All right, these are a little sharp, so be careful on that. And then the curved ones. All right, so we're gonna put these back in here in place. This is to actually remove some of the heads for the nozzles itself. It's perfect fit, and it has different sizing, and of course a little wrench at the end. This is an essential tool to keep in your arsenal of tools, and of course an X-Acto knife with extra blades in here. And everybody knows these. This is to unclog some of your nozzles. And the way it works, I'm going to bring one of these right here. And you heat it up, and that's pretty much how you clean up your nozzle, right? Make sure that they extend, and any kind of filament stuck in there, it's going to get unclogged. So this is a plus. And not only they get to give you one, they give you a couple of them in here. Over here, we're actually going to use some of the tools today, because they're essential for us to take some things apart and of course work with this too. So that's what we're going to do today and see how it works. And let's go ahead and start with this printer, right? Print that we just did. There it is. Beautiful.